Peanuts, Snoopy sitting on the top of his doghouse. Um, Woodstock, the bird, is fluttering about, um, and he's traced a chaotic path through the ether. The second panel, Snoopy is being shaken by the seismic forces of a collision that has taken place outside of the panel. The only clues that this collision has taken place, aside from Snoopy's being uplifted by the seismic forces, is a loud bonk. In panel 3, Woodstock is now walking, and clearly he is shaken up, he's traumatized, he doesn't know what's happened, he's in a fugue state. He's walking somewhere, we don't know where. Panel 4, back at Snoopy in the doghouse. He's looking at us, Snoopy's talking to us, he says to himself, to us, I think that bird needs to be recycled.